Sugriva meets Lord Ram and they both sign a pact of agreement that they both became friends, and Ram promises Sugriva that I will kill Vali, you don't worry. Because Sugriva was thrown out of Kishkinda and his wife was under Vali, he wanted his wife back and he wanted to be a part of Kishkinda, and Vali had done a great mistake of misjudging Sugriva. So Ram says, yes, it is a mistake from Vali and I will teach Vali a lesson. So Ram promises Sugriva that I will kill Vali, you don't worry. So you might be aware of this story, very interesting story. So Ram says, Sugriva, now let us go to Kishkinda and you call Vali for fight and I will stand behind the tree and I will kill your brother Vali. So Sugriva says, okay, and Sugriva understands the power of Ram, and then Sugriva goes to Kishkinda. Ram is standing behind the tree. Sugriva calls Vali, hey Vali, you coward, come out and fight with me. And Vali is thinking, how Sugriva got this courage to call me for a fight? And his wife cautions Vali that I have heard that Sugriva is now a friend of Ram. So because now Sugriva has got strength from Ram, he is coming here and calling you for the fight. So I feel better you should not go to fight. Rather try to understand what exactly is happening. Vali says, hut, I am not interested to hear all these reasons and excuses. When someone calls me for the fight, I have to go and fight. And Vali comes out. And Vali says, Sugriva, you want to fight against me? Sugriva says, yes, I want to fight. And Vali comes, takes the club, Gada, and Sugriva takes the Gada, and they both fight, left, right, center. And Vali gives nice beatings. He thrashes Sugriva. And Sugriva is expecting Ram to kill Vali, but Ram is not doing anything. So Sugriva just waits, and finally he runs back to his tent. And he says, Ram, I was waiting for your arrow. I was waiting that you will kill Vali. But if I was there for some more time, I would have been killed. Ram, why did you do this? Then Ram explains, my dear Sugriva, I am very sorry. What to do? You both look similar. You are from a Vanara species, and for humans like us, we don't feel the difference. So you are looking exactly like Vali. I didn't know what to do. So now what we will do, you wear a garland so that I can easily differentiate who is Sugriva and who is Vali. So now you go back and call Vali again for the fight. Then Sugriva says, my dear Lord, make sure that this time you kill Vali and save me, protect me. And Ram says, don't worry, you please go and call Vali for the fight. So again Sugriva goes back and again he calls, Vali, you coward. Last time something happened, now you come and I'll send you to the abode of death. And again he calls Vali. And again Vali's wife cautions, please, if Sugriva is coming again and inviting you for the combat, understand now Sugriva has more power. Vali says, no, I am not interested to hear all your excuses. He is calling me for the fight. I am going to fight and I am going to send Sugriva to the abode of death. And Vali goes. And now Sugriva is wearing a garland. So Ram easily could make out who is Sugriva and who is Vali. Now they both start fighting, and from behind the tree, Ram shoots an arrow and Vali is about to die. When Vali is about to die, Ram goes near the Vali. And Vali says, my dear Lord, I am about to die and you killed me from behind the tree. What mistake I have done? Then Ram educates Vali on the deathbed. Ram tells how he had done so many mistakes in his life and how he misjudged Sugriva and how he made Sugriva flee from Kishkinda and suffer in a different place. Then when Vali hears all the information provided by Lord Ram, because Vali had a lot of faith on Ram. So finally Vali says, my dear Ram, thank you very much for educating me, giving me this wisdom, how I made mistakes. So then immediately he calls Sugriva. He says, Sugriva, come here. And he hugs Sugriva. He apologizes. He accepts his mistake. He apologizes that, yes, I have done a mistake. And then Vali says, please, Sugriva, anyway I am going to die. So please take care of my wife, my family, my son Angada, keep them under your shelter and take care of them very nicely. And Sugriva's heart also gets transformed. Sugriva says, my dear brother, I think you deserve the kingdom. You should be the king. I cannot. So we will make sure that you survive from this danger. And Vali says, no, I have been killed by Ram and I am very happy to die now. So you please take care. And if at all I have to come again in the next life, I would like to come again and serve you. So these are the statements which Sugriva and Vali make, and they both become very close to each other, and finally at the end Vali dies and Sugriva cries tears, and again he becomes the king of Kishkinda and takes care of his family and his brother's family and lead a wonderful life. So there are three very important steps for a healthy relationship. I think all of us, we are also part of many relationships. So in our relationships also we come across this kind of problems, and whenever this kind of problems we encounter, make sure that you use these three important steps. Number one, accept your mistake. So in this episode, in this particular story of Vali and Sugriva, we saw how after getting educated by Ram, Vali accepted his mistake. Very important point. So second, apologize for your mistake. So Vali, after accepting his mistake, he called Sugriva and he apologized. Yes, I have done a mistake, please forgive me. And third, correct your mistake. So we don't have to repeat the mistake again. So Vali was even though he was on the deathbed, he was intelligent enough that he was ready to correct his mistake. So he made a statement saying that even if I come life after life after life, I would like to come and serve you. So these 3 points, I'll repeat: accept your mistake, apologize for the mistake, and correct your mistake. So when we use these 3 important steps, it can bring us a very healthy relationship. So we need to be humble to see our mistakes, courageous to admit them, and wise enough to correct them. Very important point, I'll repeat: be humble to see your mistakes, be courageous to admit them, and be wise enough to correct them. Very important. Now many times whenever we want to accept these mistakes, our ego comes in between. That is a problem. So our ego may be thinking that when we accept a mistake, we are giving up. I'll repeat: our ego may be thinking that when we accept a mistake, we are giving up. But actually speaking, we are not giving up, we are growing up. So ego always comes in between 2 relationships. When we put ego aside, then relationship grows. So this is a very important lesson we can learn from Ramayana, from the famous 2 brothers Vali and Sugriva. Thank you very much.